Hi, good day, Ma'am Arita Siscolta. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Aritas Escolta. I'm 49 years old, married, but right now is separated. I have two sons, 26 to 16. I'm a high school graduate. I live in Barangay Dolores, Taytay Rizal.
Okay, so do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have two brother and four sister.
Okay, and then how would you describe yourself?
Okay, I'm a hardworking, kind and honest and loving mother.
Okay, and then why do you want to apply abroad?
Yeah, I'm flying abroad again to save money for my future and also my future of my son.
Okay, and then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have work experience abroad in Malaysia 2013 to 15 as a household course, taking care of dogs and some of gardening,
Uh,
and then also in Singapore, taking care of elderly, and then some household chores, preparing food, cooking, assess for the medication, and then pushing for medical pushing for medical checkup.
all right. So in Malaysia and Singapore, did you finish your contract there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm already finished for 2 years.
Okay. So, when did you start working as domestic helper in Singapore?
Okay, I start working in Singapore for 2016 to 18.
All right, thank you. And then aside from working as domestic helper in Malaysia and Singapore, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have China also, 2018 to 22
All
as
right.
a nanny and some activity of cleaning the room, and then outside the some activity of the kids, like swimming, ballet dance, tutoring, tennis, like that.
All right. So did you finish your contract as domestic helper in China?
Yes, I already finished for 4 years.
Okay, thank you. And then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to taking care of kids and also to learn some more.
Okay. And then what will you do if you become homesick?
Okay, I make do busy work.
Okay. And then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared. I love dogs and cat.
Okay, good. And then how do you describe your cooking skills?
Okay, I can cook the Filipino dishes like adobo, uh, fried vegetable, and a simple cooking.
Okay, then are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, I'm willing. I'm
Okay,
willing to learn.
all right, good. And then do you have any food allergy?
No, no, I don't have any allergy.
Okay, so do you drink alcohol?
No,
How
no,
about
cannot.
smoking?
No, no, also.
Okay, so do you have any body tattoo?
No, I don't have.
Okay, so do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, no,
All
and
right.
I don't have any.
All right, good. And then for the last question, Ma'am Aritas, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Okay, I'm Aritas Escolta. I'm hardworking, honest, and loving mother, and I love to taking care of kids also and the animals. and I hope you like me as your nanny or maid. I see you soon. See you soon. Thank you.